And welcome. In the middle of a storm, here's a poor patch, getting clobbered. Oh, you can see the rain band. As I'm trying to stay dry myself here, under the garage. Our plants already got swamped the last couple of days. Oh, and it's windy, look at that. Our ceilings are behind that little black cloth there. That's why you need a windbreak. Ooh, it's coming down. Torrential rain. In the summer, this happens several times a week. Oftentimes it happens just after we sprayed. You can see the shade net bulging down now under the weight of the rain. And, well, this is some serious rain. And some serious wind too, unfortunately. And I hope that our... Oh my God. Like a freaking tornado. Oh my God. This is unreal. Look at this. It's like I'm in a tornado. I can feel the garage door bulging. There's a shade net. Oh my God. Holy shit. I don't know if staying here is such a good idea. There's the middle of a shade net. The pole has gone through. Shade net hanging down now. That was some serious wind. This is damaging weather, without a doubt. Heavy rain bands, heavy wind. And I hope there's no tornado in this. Oh my God. I guess I'm gonna have to reapply the sulfur. This is a pretty severe little storm. We already had 2.5 inches. And now this is coming on top. I'm not too worried about the rain. It was pretty windy just a second ago, and it's obviously too wet right now to go check. But once this is gone, I'm going to have to go check and see if they're still alive. I think a double windbreak there might have survived and might have saved our little plants. Rain bands. Holy moly. This is about as bad as it can get here. Except for maybe a tornado. And although I'm under a roof, I'm still getting pretty wet. We'll wipe the camera off for you. There we go. I hope that the worst bands are gone. It's coming down like crazy though. And there's the hail. You can see the hail, about dime size, coming off the net. You can see them lie on the net. And I hope my new little car is gonna get no indents from that. Hail lying on the net. I gotta get out of the way now before I get hit myself. show the hail. I don't know if you can see it. Little white dots on the net. And, well, thank God for a shade net, which I'm going to have to patch after this. The middle pole broke through. Mostly rain, not crazy on the hail. Here, the water's starting to fill everything up. And, well, South Carolina at its best. That's all I can say. Alright. Well, I'm sure it's going to rain for a little while longer. And, as it picks up, I don't know how bad it's going to get. I do know that I'm getting wet. And I hope that our little plans are going to be fine. It is a torrential downpour. As this is filling up mighty fast here, I'm standing up against the garage door and I'm in the water. I'm gonna have to move to this side. There's the water filling up in front of the garage. I'm standing up against the garage door as I get pounded with hail. Holy moly, what a storm. That wet. In a minute, the garage will be invaded by water. You can see the water run down. Water over there. Water over here. Just about an inch away from getting into the garage. Thank God they covered our little 1605. Our net is going to need some fixing. That's going to have to happen tomorrow after work. For right now, oh, and there we go. Garage is getting invaded with water. And that's where I say stop rain. Serious rain. See what's happening on this side. Just a lot of freaking water. I'm not. Oh, it's starting to fill up here too. As the water slowly pours into the garage. There's no signs of letting up yet. I wish it would though, so I could check the plans. Our shade net is down in the middle, I see. The top has popped off. Everything here is filling up with water. Oh my God. Steady stream coming down more and more. Alright. Well, that's about as much storm as I can film for you guys. I gotta make sure that I stay dry myself. And check the garage. South Carolina summer storm. Hope you enjoyed it. I'll pull shade off. And with the thunder, we say goodbye.